So let me show you the last and the final step of the estimation workflow, which is going to be downloading your estimate. This is perhaps a very important, if not the most important part of your whole estimate creation process, where you are able to download the estimate and save it as an Excel file. So this is what we are going to be talking about, that is downloading your estimate in an Excel file. So once you are inside your estimate analytics page, all you have to do is go at the bottom left and you can see a button right there which says download in Excel. All you have to do is click on it and your entire estimate with your estimated cost and your cost index and your original estimated cost without the cost index, everything will get downloaded. And it's not just going to be simply downloaded, but it will also be formatted in a way that all you have to do is simply submit it for approval. So as you can see, the file has been downloaded. I'll just quickly open it. So this is your estimate which we had created. Right here is the estimated cost. That is around 53,14,000. If I just scroll down, you can see the estimated cost of 53,14,000 with the cost index and the estimated cost including the cost index. Everything is pre-formatted with even the symbol for rupee included inside the rate and amount. At the top, you'll find your name of the estimate with the headings of DSR code description, unit, quantity, rate, and amount. And the amounts are, as I said, with the currency symbol. Now, this is not a text value. So as you can see right here, the value is in fact a 1925.5, but it is just displayed as a custom value in the currency format. So you can do whatever you want with this data. So for example, I just wanted to find what is the double of this. I can simply do that and I'll be able to find out the value. So this is a number, but it is represented as a currency to make your life easier and make your reporting much, much smoother. So this is how you simply download your file in Excel, and anytime you just change anything, all you have to do is come back and download this file in Excel using this button right here.